Today, we're soaring into the fascinating empire of advanced drone technologies. Buckle up as we venture on a thrilling journey through the skies of tomorrow. So, do you know what exactly are drones? At their core, drones are flying robots controlled from the ground. Picture them as flying computers equipped with wings or propellers. They come in various sizes, from tiny, handheld models to larger ones comparable to small airplanes. The evolution of drones. Now, let's explore how they've evolved over time. Drones have come a long way from their origins as simple remote-controlled toys. Over the years, they've evolved into sophisticated machines with remarkable capabilities, thanks to continuous innovation by scientists and engineers. This transformation is setting the stage for the advanced features we see today. Advanced features of modern drones. As drones have advanced, so too have their capabilities. Today's drones are akin to Swiss Army knives of the sky. They are equipped with high-resolution cameras for capturing detailed images, sensors that prevent collisions, and advanced software enabling autonomous flight. Some drones can even communicate with each other, coordinating their activities to perform complex tasks more efficiently. This progression is not only impressive, but also enhances the versatility of drones across various applications. Artificial intelligence in drones. Building on these advancements, let's delve into the role of artificial intelligence (AI) in drones. AI is revolutionizing drone technology, making them increasingly autonomous. AI-powered drones are capable of making decisions, recognizing objects, and learning from their experiences. This level of intelligence allows drones to operate more independently and perform tasks that once required human intervention. It's a significant leap forward in the capabilities of these flying machines. Nano-Drone. Moving from intelligence to size, let's shift our focus to nano-drones, remarkably small drones that are smaller than a butterfly but incredibly versatile. These micro-sized machines can access areas that larger drones cannot, such as confined spaces inside buildings or even within the human body. Their potential for revolutionizing medical diagnostics and search and rescue operations illustrates the diverse possibilities that drone technology holds. Swarm technology. Continuing with innovations in drone technology, we arrive at swarm technology. Imagine a flock of birds, but instead of birds, it's a multitude of drones working in unison. Swarm technology enables drones to operate together, coordinating their movements to form shapes in the sky, carry heavy loads collectively, or cover extensive areas rapidly. This capability enhances efficiency and effectiveness in various applications, particularly in complex or large-scale operations. Environmental monitoring drones. Next, let's explore how drones are making a significant impact on environmental monitoring. Specialized drones are now being used to fly into storms for better weather predictions, monitor wildlife in remote locations, and even assist in reforestation efforts by planting trees in wildfire-affected areas. These drones are becoming essential allies in our quest to protect and preserve the environment, showcasing the practical benefits of their evolving technology. Search and rescue drones. In emergencies, every second counts. Here, drones are proving to be invaluable. Advanced drones are becoming critical tools in search and rescue operations, equipped to navigate hazardous environments, locate individuals in distress, and deliver critical supplies. Their ability to respond swiftly and effectively to crises is transforming emergency response efforts, demonstrating the life-saving potential of modern drones. Energy-efficient drones. As we look towards the future, energy-efficient drones represent a significant step forward. Scientists are developing drones that use less power and can fly longer distances. Some of these drones are even solar-powered, drawing energy from the sun, much like solar panels on buildings. These eco-friendly innovations not only extend the operational capabilities of drones, but also align with broader sustainability and energy efficiency goals. Drone regulations and safety. With all these advancements, it's crucial to address the need for regulations and safety. As drones become more sophisticated, ensuring their safe and responsible use is paramount. Governments worldwide are implementing regulations to safeguard our skies and protect privacy. Balancing innovation with safety standards is essential for the responsible development of drone technology. The future of drone technology. So, what does the future hold for drones? The possibilities are virtually limitless. We might see drones that can alter their shape to navigate tight spaces or even dive underwater and resurface. Some researchers are envisioning drones that could assist in exploring other planets, expanding the horizons of space exploration. This glimpse into the future underscores the exciting potential of drone technology. And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible world of advanced drone technologies. From tiny flying marvels to coordinated swarms, drones are charting an exciting path into the future. They are not just fascinating gadgets, they are transformative tools with the potential to address significant challenges and unlock new possibilities. Remember, every big idea starts small. So, keep dreaming, exploring, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. If you enjoyed this high-flying adventure into the world of drones, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to High-Tech 9 for more mind-blowing tech and innovation stories. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and your imagination soaring.